Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Gusto subscription. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and cancel your Gusto subscription. Maybe you're going with a different payroll service. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into Gusto. Next, you're going to click on this profile icon on the bottom left-hand corner. And then from here, you're going to click on plan and billing. Now, once you've done so, you're going to see that there's an option here to actually go ahead and cancel your account. So once you cancel your account, that should go ahead and end your Gusto subscription plan. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel your Gusto payroll subscription. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.